Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Talent Forever. I hope you all are fine. आज का वीडियो बाकी वीडियो से हटके होगा. In this video I will perform an experiment on air. This experiment is related to class 7 NCERT Geography chapter 4. So let's get started. So friends, the material required for this experiment are pieces of paper. If you don't have paper, you can use newspaper also. A boiled and peeled egg, a glass bottle, and a candle. Friends, as you can see, this egg is not going inside the bottle. What we will do is we will put some of this paper inside the bottle and then we'll light the candle. Okay, so let's start. We will first put this paper inside like this. If you don't have paper, you can also use newspaper pieces. Here I have put it. Now what I will do, I will just like this, I will press it. So I have pressed the paper using this stick. Now what we have to do, we have to light this candle and using a matchstick or something, we have to light the paper inside the bottle. Please do it in an adult supervision. Here my mom will do it from the back screen. Now we will light the paper inside. We will wait as the paper will burn and immediately we will put the egg over it. Now we will wait for some time and we'll let the egg move inside the bottle slowly. So as you can see, the egg is slowly going inside. As you can see, after some time the whole egg will go inside the bottle. Part egg का अंदर जा चुका है. It will take a time. It will take a little time. After that, the whole egg will go inside. So as you can see, it's going inside. Wow, isn't it amazing? It's very amazing. The whole egg is slowly going inside. Wow. It's about to go inside. As you can see, more of the part has gone inside the bottle. Slowly it will go. Isn't it amazing? First it was not going and now the whole egg is going inside the bottle. It's really amazing. So as you all can see, the egg has moved inside. Isn't it amazing? But why did it happen? It happened because the warm air, as you all know, is lighter than the cold air and therefore creates low pressure. But the cold air is heavier than the warm air and therefore creates high pressure. Here, when we burn the paper, the air around it gets warmer and therefore created low pressure. But the air outside the bottle was not as warm as compared to the air inside the bottle and therefore created high pressure, which pushed the egg inside the bottle. So friends, this was all for today. I hope you learned something new from my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel Talent Forever and share it with your family and friends. Stay tuned to my channel to see more of my interesting videos. I will be back soon with a new one. Till then, bye.